So the next step is to add our garden grid watering systems. We're going to be adding 3 4x4 garden grid watering systems to this layout. And the 4x4 garden grid basically comes in 3 pieces. You have a left half, a right half, and a water feed tube to connect to your garden hose. So the setup process and assembly is really quick and easy. Basically, you just take the halves of each and push and wiggle them onto their fittings, like so. So you just push and wiggle, and continue for the rest of the garden grid. All the way until you're done with the last one. All right, make sure they're all on. Then go ahead and grab your water feed tube. You connect that as well. Basically push and wiggle right on to the fitting. And this 4x4 is ready to go. So we'll lay it in our garden. Top of our soil there. Then we'll repeat that for the other 2 garden grid watering systems. Take our left half and right half. Push the fitting in and wiggle. Push and wiggle. And continue that for the rest of your garden grid. It's a simple process. Once you're done, add the water feed tube again. Now you have your second garden grid ready. We'll lay that right there and finish off with our third one. So we'll go ahead and take our halves, press them together. All right, so that one, there, and the last one. And of course, your water feed tube. We'll lay this on the taller section. Okay, so now we want to connect them all together so they can all run from one water source. That's easily done with our 8-inch tall manifold, which we connect one garden grid to, the next, now these 2 garden grids are connected together. Lastly, we're going to take one of our custom length 5-foot long garden hoses and connect it from that garden grid to the manifold so all 3 of them can run off of one water source. So we'll go here, connect it to the manifold. We'll run it right over to our garden grid. As such. Position everything exactly how we want it. And very last, add your garden hose that's coming from your hose spigot to the manifold. Your entire garden is ready to go. There you have it, 4x12 tiered raised garden kit with irrigation and plant spacing.